We'll have.
Pam, 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 pam,
Well, the good thing is that we still have some left.
yeah,
If
it
we
was so.
didn't, then.
Hmm,
Oh,
hmm. But,
you finish your coffee?
you want?
No. Oh, you know what I forgot to buy? Razor. Razor.
My God, you always buy a razor, no?
Well, you didn't buy. You didn't buy no uh, blades, huh? You don't have the blades.
What is? How many? What?
It's a video. How I eat chismosa.
I'm not just my
What?
my friend right here always call me chismosa. Ag- He always call me chismosa.
My
I think you don't know
baby.
what is the meaning of chismosa. What is chismosa?
Yeah,
Oh my God, I'm full.
thought the cheese mess. But it's not in your. I come.
Yeah, none of your business.
Yes. Oh.
Oh, we need to buy one more chair. Oh,
You said they're more.
flowers for you. We're
Oh,
here.
thank you. Thank you,
You
my.
want one?
Thank you, my
You want
Valentine.
one?
Yeah.
Give me money. It's only 10 pesos. No, that's only five. This one
I have 5 pesos here.
just pesos. No,
Yes.
you need to buy
Yes.
the
Yes. How you say?
Jis.
Yes.
Jis.
Yes. Yes. It's like saying yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh my god. How you say it again?
Jis.
Yes. Oh my god. Uh, I think Japanese is easier, no?
Easier.
Ohio.
You're right.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Baby, you're
Heavy.
my leg is gonna
Am
give.
I heavy?
If my leg is gonna give up, you're gonna.
So you're saying that I'm fat?
No, you're just heavy for my leg.
Mm. Tanong nga di.
I have skinny leg.
No customer. So
No
later
customer.
we're gonna do a barbecue. This morning we're not.
Later.
I need to give money for his yeah.
For my allowance.
I need to give
Ow.
money for his allowance because this guy right here, he loves to drink Red Horse, San Miguel.
Hey, my mom, maybe she's gonna watch it.
No, mom,
No.
please watch this video
No,
right now.
it's lies,
That way you will
mama.
know your son right here.
No,
He
it's
drinks every night.
liar. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Baby, I'm full.
Bah!
Ah.
Super liar.
Mama, Papa,
No, mama,
your
papa.
son is drunking my
Well,
son.
your son is religious, man.
Religious. Religious. Stop. Oh my God. Happy Sunday, everyone. Sa Pilipinas ang what? What,
The
baby?
taste of that
Oh,
bread.
just shut your mouth, baby. Just, this bread is so lam